Hey, good morning everybody. I'm looking at NASDAQ. I'm going to go through here and show you how I set up my chart for the day, my setup. And so let's hop into it. First thing I'm going to do is I'm looking at NASDAQ. I'm on the daily chart. I'm going to go over here to my indicators and I'm going to select DIY custom indicator. And this is what it looks like on default. So on default on the daily, this is what it looks like. I'm going to go to settings. And so once settings come up, this is what it looks like. I'm going to take the first and I'm going to go down and I'm going to deselect all these. So anything that has a check mark, I'm going to take it off all the way till we get to the switchboard. When I get to the switchboard, the only thing I'm going to leave selected is EMA, supply and demand zone, and market sessions. Scroll down right below that. It's going to say MAS line. Only thing I want is 200. Unselect the 50, the 13, and the 5. And that's all I need on that one. I'm going to hit OK. After I hit OK, that's what the chart should look like. And so that's supply and demand with the 200 EMA. That's a basic setup. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Lux Algo. And that's what it looks like on default. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to settings. On this one, I'm just going to go down to the very bottom and I'm going to select premium discount zones. And after I do that, me personally, I just change the colors of them. You don't have to. And then right above that, monthly, weekly, and daily highs and lows. And I'm going to make those white as well. You can leave them any color you want to or just leave them default. After that, you hit OK. And this is what my chart looks like. So I'm going to refresh it. I'm going to zoom in. And this is what I'm looking at. And so now you see what I see. So I have the top of a range, which is the premium. The highest price has gotten and it didn't go above, which is the highest price, the premium. And then the mid price, which be the average price, which be the equal price, which be equilibrium. I don't use that terminology. It just means middle of range. And then discount, which is the bottom, the lowest the range. So this is default how I set my chart up. If you got any questions, let me know. That's all I got for you today. Be safe, be great, be you. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Hey, good morning everybody. I'm looking at NASDAQ. I'm going to go through here and show you how I set up my chart for the day, my setup.